I'm Nash.
I'm Joe.
And we're the Tampa Drain Dudes. We're installing a drain right now here in Wesley Chapel. 5 minutes ago, it was sunny and 90 degrees. Now it's pouring down rain, but that's hurricane season in Florida. Just wanted to show you guys this install we were doing. Joe, you want to walk through what it was real quick?
So we have, starting at the downspout here, we're going to come down. We have 5 catch basins down the middle of this to collect all of that surface water coming in. Each of the downspouts are connected to get all that roof runoff, and it goes down and back into the retention pond.
Pretty simple system, guys. This was all weeds and clovers. We came in, leveled this out completely into soil. We're putting new sod on top. That way it's all sloped and graded the way we want it towards these catch basins right here. These catch all that surface water here in the Wesley Chapel area. A lot of the soil is actually solid clay, so that water does not percolate like it should in places with nice soil. So that water sits on the surface, and you need a yard drain, not usually a French drain. You can see right here by these 2 back downspouts, we did a natural rock drainage system and also helped it out with this channel drain. We're gonna flush that here in a second, but that's for another time. You can see the water's flowing perfectly down this rock bed into the catch basin. And down on the line we go, like Joe said. It comes out to this natural drainage point out here where we have a pop-up emitter right here at this retaining wall. These pop-ups are great for controlling erosion. They don't blast water out. You can see all that water is coming out, but because this lid just barely floats up, it looks kind of like a mushroom, that water disperses nice and evenly. And this is another great install. It's nice we got some proof of work here with this rainstorm, although it's turned it into kind of a mess. But if you guys need any exterior drainage work, give us a call, 813-665-1818, or check us out at tampadraindudes.com. Thanks.